Welcome back to my channel, everyone. On today's video I have another 99-cent haul for you guys, and again I have a bunch of really cute stuff. I want to say it's mainly like stationery items, but I wanted to share these with you guys because I think they're super cute, and I'm pretty sure some of you will think the same. But I'm gonna start off with showing some other stuff first. I'm gonna show you guys this little, it's kind of like a really small little cross body bag, and it has this clear part in the back here, and it says crossbody club bag with touch screen. I just thought this was so funny because it says club bag. Oh my god. I don't know, I just thought it was funny, but I don't know, I just really liked the pattern and the colors. I think it's super summery, and the inside, let me show you guys the inside. It just kind of, it has like two like slots. So you have a slot back here, which is where you put, where you have that clear part, and then a small one here. So honestly, all that you could really probably fit in here is like your phone, and maybe just like, you know, like a debit card or some cash, and like your keys, maybe even like a lipstick. You know, it's very small, but I like these because sometimes I'm literally like on the run, you know, or I'm just gonna go do an errand down the street or something. So I figured, why not? And again, I just really like the pattern and the color, so I picked that up. But this was $1.99, as you guys can see there. It was not 99 cents. And then I also got this wallet here. I've actually hauled this wallet just in other colors. I think in like a more like a mauve color and a light pink. And honestly, I love this wallet. I actually carry a lot of cash with, well, not a lot of cash, but I tend to always carry cash with me, more so than like my debit card. But either way, in here I usually put like my debit card, my ID, and maybe like 2 or 3 other cards, and it fits perfectly. And then in here obviously I'll just throw like my change and like my dollar bills. I work in a job where I do get tips, so that's why I usually have cash on me. So this is just really handy for me, and I don't know, these wallets are really cute in my opinion. I know a lot of people don't tend to carry cash nowadays. You know, we use plastic most of the time, but if you do use cash, these are actually really awesome for that. But this was also $1.99, and I just liked this really like bright red, so I got that one. Then I already opened this, but it's a mermaid headband, and they actually had a ton of colors. They had like a fuchsia, they had a silver, I don't know if they have green. I know it comes in like 4 or 5 colors, but I just went ahead and got this blue one for my daughter because I just think it's so pretty. And you know, the mermaid theme is really popular right now, so yeah, so we got that. And then I'm just gonna be going to a little like summer camp next week, so I just got her this little ice pack to put in her lunch bag, just to, you know, it's kind of hot. It's already hot. This whole week has been really hot here in Los Angeles, so hopefully this helps keep some of her items a little bit cooler. And this was only 99 cents. And then something kind of random, but I just wanted to share anyway because I thought it was a good buy, was this pack of 50 like paper plates. Now, as I mentioned in other videos before, you know, sometimes mainly in the morning, like for breakfast when I'm giving my kids a waffle or something, or French toast, like, you know, I don't want to be washing dishes all day because I feel like I do that already. So usually for breakfast, I'll just use, like, I like to use a paper plate. Now, I was using some styrofoam ones that I picked up from, I think it was Dollar Tree, because at the Dollar Tree there was a pack that had 14 styrofoam foam plates versus like usually they come in just packs of 10. So I thought it was, again, it was a better deal, but I know that styrofoam is horrible for our environment. So I really wanted to get paper plates. And when I came across this pack, I was like, what? 50 paper plates for $1. And as you guys can read around here, it says that it's eco-friendly, sustainable, renewable, I don't know. And they're 9-inch paper plates. Now obviously, you know, these are, if you have something that's like really like wet or something, it's, you know, not going to keep, you know, so maybe you would have to double up. But even then, even if you double up, I mean, you're still getting 25, right? 25 plates that you could use. So I picked up 3 packs of this because I was like, 50 plates for $1, yes please. And then again, they're paper plates, which is what I was looking for. I didn't want to keep using styrofoam because I know it's worse, you know, for our environment. So anywho, picked up 3 of these packs. So if you're someone, if you're a mom and you're on that boat with me about not washing dishes all the time, go to the 99-cent store if you have one nearby and try to see if you can find these, because I thought it was an amazing deal. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, so let's move on to the cute things. So as you guys know, I hauled this last week. I think I hauled a pack of these, or it was a sticker. So stickers, scented stickers. So the 99-cent store, and you know what? I actually saw a Dollar Tree haul. I don't know who it was, but they actually hauled something from this brand. So maybe if you don't have a 99-cent store near you, but you do have a Dollar Tree, perhaps we will see these at the Dollar Tree, because like I said, I saw someone do a Dollar Tree haul and they hauled something from this brand. So these are the washi tapes, and there's 4 in a pack, and I just thought that was a great deal. These are so cute. Look at the patterns. So this one is more like a cupcake, you know, there's an ice cream, there's a piece of pie and a donut. And then this one here is a green apple, watermelon, strawberry, and it looks like it's a blueberry. Now, I opened a pack of the stickers last week that I hauled, and you guys, they smell amazing. They have a very strong scent, which I love personally. Because I feel like if you're selling a scented sticker or scented anything, it should smell, right? And sometimes, you know, I've purchased things from like either Target or even Dollar Tree that says that it's scented, and it really isn't, you know, or it's just very lightly scented. But these are really strongly scented, which, like I said, I personally love. So I went ahead and picked up a pack. I probably should have gotten more, but whatever. I got these because, yeah, I love little things like that, as you guys already know. Then I came across this really pretty, what do you call these? It's just like a little, like, clipboard. There you go. And I just thought this was adorable. It's beautiful. It has the gold flamingos, and then it has like that tie-dye background, and these were only 99 cents. Oh, as well as the washi tape. The washi tape was also 99 cents each. And it's from this Premier brand that always comes out with the really cute stationery at the 99. But yeah, look how pretty this is. I feel like this is something we can find like at Target, Dollar Spot, or somewhere else, you know, for definitely more than $1. And I probably don't need all these clipboards, but again, I just cannot pass this up, you guys. Like, look how beautiful this is. So this one has the pineapple again with the gold foiling and that really, really pretty, just like background that looks, to me, looks like the ocean, and then like a really pretty sky. I don't know, what do you guys think? But really pretty. This is again $1 only, so I was like, yes, I have to get these things because they're just so adorable. And then I saw this binder. Now this is plastic, as you can see, and it is a hard back binder, but this one was $1.99. Oh, it's a vinyl binder. There you go. This is $1.99, but even then, for $2, I think this was a really nice deal. And it has all the feathers, and again with the really light pastel colors, and then the inside it's just all pink. So again, I just thought this was a really good deal. And like I said before, I personally don't go to school anymore. My daughter's going to start school, but I mean, she's starting kindergarten. So obviously I don't think that she will be using this binder, but I actually use binders like this to either put like pictures or papers and stuff like that. So I got that for myself. Then I did get another binder. Now this one is obviously, you know, looks a little bit more for like, you know, a younger kid, a younger girl, but I still thought it was super cute. Now this one was 99 cents, but this one is like that really like flimsy, you know, material. But I just thought it was really cute, you know, with the unicorn, the pineapple, the cupcake and all that. And the back is the same. And this is a 1 inch and the other one was ½ an inch. It's a little bit thicker, but yeah. And then the inside is just white. So I picked that up, and like I said, that was 99 cents. And then you guys, they had some little squishies. And if you guys have kids, or maybe you like squishies, you guys know that some of these things are like expensive. Depending on where you go, they can range anywhere from like $3, $5, $10. I've even seen like at Target. Now these are a pretty decent size. I mean, they're not very big, but they're so cute. And these were only 99 cents. And I feel like they have a scent. Now, I don't think it says that they're scented. Let me see. Does it say anything about that? Yeah, I don't know if it's me or if it's something else that's in that bag. Or maybe it was the washi. But something in my bag smells very fruity and it smells really good. So it might have been the washi. But anyway, I got the unicorn because, of course, I had to get it. Now, they have the unicorn in a white. Kind of how it shows down here. But I went ahead and got the pink. And then I got this one, which is like a little seal or something. It's this one right here. But I just thought these were so cute. And I actually got these for myself. My daughter was with me when we bought these, but she didn't want one. So I was like, okay, whatever. I'm going to get them for myself. So I got these for me. Yes, I know. Don't judge me. But you know what? I get stressed and these actually help me out. So that's why I got it. But yeah, they have I think they have 5 little figures. They have a dinosaur, they have a little cat, they have the little dog, the unicorn, and this little like seal or whale. I don't even know what it is. I guess it's a whale. And they have all 5 of these, but they come in 2 different colors. So for example, the unicorn comes in the pink and the white. And the little like whale or whatever comes in either blue or pink. And then the dinosaur comes in either red or green and stuff like that. So check your 99-cent store for these because these are so cute. So I got that as well. Oh yeah, see, here's that other washi tape. I knew I got another one. So this is the other print. It's very similar to the other one. Actually, you know what? It is the same one. I picked up 2 of these and that's what I did. I picked up 2. So yeah, I got 2 packs of those. And then I got some of these magnets. Now if you saw my 99-cent haul from last week, then you probably remember that I hauled a planner that had like the cover was kind of, it looked like marble. So these magnets go with that line of stuff, you know. So I just thought it was really pretty. Again, something that looks like Target dollar spot to me. And last but not least, on the stationery, I just got another pack of these little clips here, and these say sassy, let's party, do it, dream, blah. And then there's one with a little diamond, and there's 6 in a pack, and these were also $1. Now moving on to some little like decoration stuff. I just picked up this little welcome sign. It is metal and it has the little flamingo, and I just thought it was really pretty, you know, for like summer and stuff. And I have like a lot of flamingo decorations outside of my door, so I thought that would go very well. And that was only 99 cents. And then I got this gorgeous unicorn head, you guys. Like, look how pretty this is. I don't know if you guys can see that it is kind of like iridescent. Now, this was $1.99, but I still think that it's a really great deal because I actually purchased a unicorn head like this, but it was all white and it just had like the gold tip from Home Goods. And I think that one was like $7 or $5, yeah, it was like $7. So for $2, I thought this was really nice. They also have this in gold and in silver. If you guys want to check those out, go to my Instagram page because I did post a picture of that. And my Instagram is Sassy VD Haul. So it's just like my YouTube name. You just have to add hauls and it's all together. But I'll have that information for you guys in the bottom bar. So you guys can check out that picture. But yeah, these are so cute, and I want to get one more, and I should have purchased it then because I don't even know if they are still going to have them. But if I can come across another one, I'll probably pick up one more of these because I just think it's so pretty. So I got that. And then I also picked up these really pretty little candle holders. Now these are really light. It almost feels like ceramic, but I'm not sure if it is ceramic. But these were only $1 each, and they come in also like a matte gold and a matte silver. But I just went ahead and got the rose gold because you guys know I love rose gold. So yeah, I picked these up and I just thought these were really pretty. So we picked that up. And then, let's see, do I have anything else? I have 2 more things to show you guys, and that is going to be it for this haul. So I got some wall art or decor or whatever, and let me show you guys what it is. So here we have this cafe or bakery cafe little sign with the little donuts, and I just thought that was really cute, you know, just for like the kitchen or something. I don't know, I really like that. And then I got that sign that says bless this house, and it's super farmhouse, and these both were $1.99 each. But honestly, that bless this house sign, like, that would be so much more expensive at like Hobby Lobby or something, you know. So yeah guys, that is actually all for this haul video. I hope that you liked something in this video that you liked. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And thanks everyone for stopping by and watching this video, and I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on my next haul video. Bye.